my gosh, move your legs! Sink in over here. It's cold. We aren't sure, but we think this might be part of a ship because it has these nails. They're huge. Like, what kind of thing has that? And it's like on the beach, so it would make sense. Why are you showing me? That's so cool. Ship? Ship. And it looks like it was torn apart from something. Ship. That's cool. Fish! Hurry! Be quiet! We got a fish! Oh my god! What is that? What is that bird chasing it? Oh my god! No! Gracie. What is that? What are those brown birds?
I don't
What
know.
are those red birds? I'm scared!
It was jealous. It was jealous. I cannot
them.
believe that.
I'm scared of those. I'm not scared of them.
Hello, good sir.
Excuse me.
Hello. Hello. Oh.
What did it just do?
What are you doing? It's eating.
It's eating. Why?
Don't come near me. Stay away. Naomi is getting water. Wave with me to her. Water.
From the ocean. Why do you do that? Why? And I had no more. And Gracie, by the way, you are wearing it the wrong way. The one piece doesn't go in the front.
Why not?
There's a tag.
Oh.
Not right there. Whoa. These are your fries. You're scared? How did you get up there? Why'd you go up there if you were scared? No, why'd you go up there if you were scared? You don't know?
Meow. I need help.
Here.
My princess.
The Romeo to her Juliet. Hey! What the heck? Don't chase after me! What the heck? Why are you beating me up?
Where's Ash? Oh, he's over there by himself. Jeez. What is wrong with children? Ha!
There you go. Leave me alone. Okay, I'll stop.
Why are we told me to go on the baby?
I'm gonna help you.
Seriously?
Stop hitting the camera. Okay.
You're so annoying.
I'm so annoying.